A string of burglaries in the Fox Valley has police on alert and asking for your help.
The Fox Valley Metro Police are investigating 6 break-ins they say happened this week while people were sleeping. And in Appleton, police say they're investigating burglaries they say have been happening since the beginning of the year. Fox 11's Eric Peterson has the story.
On this quiet combined lock street, neighbors say they've heard all about the recent burglaries.
Just found a house broken into, and then I heard they found a half a wallet or something in Kimberly.
Fox Valley Metro Police say they are investigating reports of burglaries or attempted burglaries in neighborhoods in Combined Locks and Kimberly.
Mostly money, of cash value type thing, wallets, purses, stuff like that.
Police say the warm weather may have people leaving their windows open at night.
It doesn't appear that they spend a large amount of time in the residences. It's kind of a enter and get out type thing.
And in this Northside Appleton neighborhood, almost 20 break-ins have been reported in the last month alone. Police say the criminals are operating in broad daylight. Police say the burglars are going house to house, knocking on doors. If no one is home, the criminals break in.
Making forced entry in through side doors, service doors into garages, and then once in the garage, forcing the door between the garage and the house.
Police say a vehicle pulls into a driveway, then the burglars load up what they call large items and drive away. Police say right now they have few leads and are looking for help from the neighborhood.
We don't know if it's more than one person at this time. Our officers are still investigating, but you know, they all kind of seem to be the same type of incidents, so they're likely connected.
Meanwhile, these neighbors say they'll be playing it safe.
When we leave, we lock our windows, we lock our doors. I just think I lock my truck doors when I go in anywhere. I guess it's common sense.
In the Fox Valley, Eric Peterson, Fox 11 News.
And police go on to say that if anybody has information, they are asked to give them a call.